Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to download your Uber ride receipts for effective expense tracking. Whether you're managing your personal finances or tracking business expenses, obtaining your ride receipts can help you keep everything organized. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Begin by opening the Uber app on your mobile device. If you're using a smartphone, make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Access your trip history. Once you are in the app, tap on the three horizontal lines located in the upper left corner. This will open the menu. From there, select Your Trips to access your ride history. Step 3. Find the specific trip. Scroll through your list of completed trips to find the ride for which you need the receipt. Trips are typically listed in chronological order, so looking for the most recent trips might help you find it faster. Step 4. View the trip details. Once you have located the trip, tap on it to view the trip details. This page includes all the necessary information regarding your ride, such as the pickup and drop-off locations, the fare breakdown, and other relevant data. Step 5. Request your receipt. In the trip details view, look for the option that says Receipt. You may also notice an icon that resembles a receipt. Tap this option to view or download your receipt. Step 6. Download or email your receipt. You will usually have the option to download the receipt directly to your device or to email it to yourself. If you choose to email it, just enter your email address and hit Send. If downloading, select the appropriate button and the receipt will be saved to your phone. Step 7. Check your email, if applicable. If you opted to email your receipt, check your email inbox for a message from Uber. Open the email, and you can view and save the receipt directly from there. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to effortlessly download your Uber ride receipts for your expense tracking needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. Your feedback and engagement help us create even more useful guides like this one.